Making headlines tonight, a potentially deadly illness surfaces at a Pea Ridge school.
According to the Pea Ridge School District, an intermediate student was diagnosed with pertussis, commonly known as whooping cough. The district says it is working closely with affected families and the Arkansas Department of Health to help make sure it doesn't spread. A letter was sent home with the students. 4 students were diagnosed with whooping cough in Northwest Arkansas last school year.
Whooping cough is a highly contagious disease involving the nose, throat, and chest. Anyone at any age can get it. Adults and adolescents represent more than half of the reported cases in the U.S. Symptoms resemble a common cold, including sneezing, runny nose, low-grade fever, and a cough. Within 2 weeks, the cough becomes severe and can cause episodes of numerous fast coughs followed by a crowing or high-pitched whoop. ADH says getting the vaccine is the only way to protect your child from the deadly and rare disease.